as we celebrate our 30th anniversary, we are blessed. As we welcome our visitors all around the Philippines, especially from Manila, we are blessed. As we thank the Lord for the gift of persons of Nanay Dayan and Tatay Dodong, we are blessed. As we sit beside our seatmates this afternoon, we are blessed. And I would like to ask you to tell yourself, I am blessed. Together?
I am blessed.
Louder! I am blessed. Tell the seatmate, you are blessed.
You are blessed.
On the other side, you are blessed. At the back, you are in front. At ang tagang masipang pakpak ang